and welcome to today's episode on Crypto DeFi Spot. Today we're going to be talking about the mysterious and often misunderstood world of Bitcoin. Before we get started, it is important you know that the team at Crypto DeFi Spot are not financial advisors and nothing said in these videos should be used as financial advice. It is important you do your own research and use your self-discretion. Before we dive in, let's start with the basics. What exactly is Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin is a digital currency that was created in 2009 by an unknown person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. It is decentralized, meaning that it is not controlled by any government or financial institution. Instead, Bitcoin relies on a network of computers to verify transactions and add them to a larger public ledger known as the blockchain. The blockchain is essentially a record of all Bitcoin transactions that have ever taken place, and it is maintained by a network of users known as miners. So how does one acquire Bitcoin? There are a few different ways to get your hands on some Bitcoin. One option is to buy it on a cryptocurrency exchange, much like you would buy stocks or other assets. You can also accept Bitcoin as payment for goods or services, or even mine it yourself using specialized software and hardware. But enough about the technicalities, let's talk about the history of Bitcoin. The concept of digital currency dates back to the 1980s, but it wasn't until the launch of Bitcoin in 2009 that it really took off. At the time, the global financial system was in the midst of a crisis, and many people were looking for alternative ways to store and transfer value. Bitcoin quickly gained popularity due to its decentralized nature and the ability to make transactions without the need for a third party, such as a bank. In the years since its launch, Bitcoin has experienced significant ups and downs. It reached an all-time high value of nearly $65,000 in April 2021, but has also faced controversy and regulatory challenges. So what does the future hold for Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency industry as a whole? It's difficult to say for sure, but it's clear that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are here to stay. While they may not replace traditional forms of currency, they have the potential to revolutionize the way we think about and use money. Some experts predict that we will see increased mainstream adoption of cryptocurrencies in the coming years, and that they will become more widely accepted as a legitimate form of payment. Others believe that the volatility and lack of regulation in the cryptocurrency market will continue to be a barrier to widespread adoption. Regardless of what the future holds, one thing is certain. The world of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies is one that is constantly evolving and full of possibilities. Thanks for joining us for today's episode on Bitcoin. We hope you have a better understanding of what it is and how it got started. As always, stay tuned for more educational content on the Crypto DeFi channel.